Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is mushroom and spinach bhaji. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. I have to get this narration done quite quickly because we're still in lockdown and my wife wants to take me out for my daily walk like some bloody Labrador. Anyway, enough of that, on with the cooking. In a suitably sized pan, melt the butter with the oil until it's nice and hot and add the cumin seeds for a second or two until they crackle. When this is done, it's time to add the onions. Continue to fry the onions in the cumin and butter mixture until they just start to soften. Then it's time for the star of the show, the mushrooms. Continue to fry the mushrooms for 5 or 6 minutes, and it's time to add the salt and mix through. When this is done, it's time to add the ginger, garlic, garam masala and chopped green chilies, and again mix through. Continue to cook the mushrooms for a further 2 or 3 minutes, and it's time to add in the spinach. This spinach does look a lot, but it wilts down considerably. When you've added the spinach, put a lid on the pan and cook covered for 2 minutes. When the 2 minutes are up, remove the lid and mix through the spinach. And you should have something that looks like this. Then you're ready to serve. So there you have it, mushroom and spinach bhaji. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.
Time for walkies! Come on, come on, come on! Time for walkies!
Come in.